Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before.
In the mood to learn what you think you know.
What up, homies? I am going through a cleansing phase in my life. I'm cleansing people, I'm cleansing things, I'm cleansing my house. So, my beauty room's a mess. I went to be with my family in Maryland for a week. Now I'm back in my home. My beauty room's a mess because I was packing and my mind has been a mess. And your environment and your mind like mimic each other. And so my beauty room looks like the mess that my mind was. I'm no longer a mess mentally. So we're just gonna be cleaning my beauty room today. That's all the intro you need. Also, I have an Uber Eats delivery on the way, so like when that gets here, it will be priority. Like I'm going to stop what I'm doing and eat my Five Guys. Why wouldn't I? Okay, I've just stood up. This is what we've got going on here. Mirror, my light because I was just filming. Mirror, this wall. All right, let's just get to the bad stuff. Boom. The bed here, I have stuff on here, my towel, a bunch of clothes, and then just nonsense, makeup everywhere, a Lush bag, clothes here, bullet journaling stuff, makeup on the floor, clothes on the floor, handbags. This is a hot mess. This needs to be dealt with. My closet's a mess. Well, hey, my closet ain't even that bad up here. But then you get down here and I got all these drawers in here that's put out. I absolutely promise you guys that this is the place I spend the most amount of time in. Like the rest of my house is never messy. Especially not this messy. It's like lived in, but the rest of my house is never like this. But this is my closet, my creative space, my office, my thing, my makeup room, my beauty room is my everything. So I'm here the most time. And then your creative space will always be the messiest anyway. And then like I've just been anxious and whatever. But now I feel good. I need my space to reflect that. So let's start cleaning. First thing I'm gonna do is take everything off this bed and deflate the bed. What is going on? I'm gonna take everything off this bed here and deflate the bed. I know I'm never on camera with my glasses, but I've mentioned a lot of times before, I'm blind, y'all. When I just took the thing off, it just blew out the biggest, like most obnoxious puff of air into my face. This is so satisfying. I don't know why I didn't take this out of here sooner. Like, even if my family visits often, just blow it back up, dummy. Like, oh my God. Okay. I'm still gonna sweep and then, I'm still gonna sweep in the vacuum later, but right now I just needed to get those crumbs up. This blow up mattress is going in the closet downstairs. Okay, why is it here? I'm gonna move this to that corner, I think. No, I'm gonna center this on that wall. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. I'm so happy. My beauty room finally looks good. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. There, so, you know, whatever. Door, hallway, door, hallway. Okay, so On this wall here, it's pretty bland. I really should fill it up more, and I have to put more pictures back on my little cork boards here. But I have my letterboard, I have cork boards. I moved my stool over there. Guys, how do I get the flipping stains out of there? Help me. But yeah, I have my stand. That's not called a stand. What am I talking about? I have my rack. That's what it's called. My rack city chick. My clothing rack here. My bags, not all of them, just some of them there for the time being. I need to find something to go here. Maybe another like cute little fuzzy chair or something. I don't know yet. Also still debating getting an actual vanity desk. We'll see. Oh, and then my rug is in the middle of the floor here. And then I have all my makeup. If you guys want a full in-depth makeup collection, let me know. Or as I continue to decorate the room, you guys want to see that process, holla at me. I can do that. And then over here we have my shelf with my Lush bath bombs, a candle, my cute little light up hello light, my moon mirror because I'm a Cancer, ruled by the moon, and then my jewelry collection over here. Ignore my Sprite, and I'm obsessed with watching the reel. But my jewelry collection here, my shelf here, and then my closet is mostly organized. It is not 100% organized in my closet because I'm going to be doing a separate video going through every piece of clothing I own and purging. And then I have my stand with my mirror and a tiny little armoire thing here. But yeah, I'm tired and I don't want to film a real intro for this video because I'm tired and I want to go to sleep because it's late and I'm tired. Follow me on Instagram. I usually look better there than I look right now. Bye.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You